Hi, today I'm with me Huawei P60 Pro and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first we should hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one, and by this way we just successfully created the new home screen folder. If you wanna, you could add here more applications by the same way, or also you could open the folder, tap the plus icon and select all of the applications which you wanna add to this folder. Then just tap to OK and that's it. If you wanna rename the folder, just tap once on the name and enter the new one, for example the apps. Also, if you wanna rename it, you could make it by another way, just hold the folder and tap to rename, and by the same way rename your folder. If you want to change the size of the folder, also you should hold it, tap to enlarge, and now we'll just make it bigger. To make it smaller, by the same way hold it and tap to shrink. Just to remove the application from the folder, you should just hold it and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. Also, if you want to remove a couple of apps in one click, just tap the plus icon and unselect them. You could unselect all of them if you want, and you will see this all of applications on your home screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.